For years, Chinatown was famous for its terrible traffic jams and congestion, but the arrival of MRT or metro line to Chinatown has made the change. Now Chinatown has finally become a sane place to visit. Guys, I'm traveling on pretty much low budget. I have allowance of only $20 a day to spend. It includes accommodation, it includes food and activities. It's not much I can do, right? But I don't have any other source of income. So please hit the like button because your likes will bring more audience to my channel and it will help to fund my trip. Thanks. When I was walking in Chinatown, I approached this lady and I bought fruits from her, and other vendors was curious if I am video recording them, and I said yes, it's for YouTube. They seem to be fine. Thank you. I was walking here and there trying to find something to eat until I saw this man. I started to follow him. I can't believe myself, but I literally turned around and I started to walk with him because I felt in love with his bushy mop. Look at this on his shoulder, it looks so authentic. I even took my DJI Osmo. I love that moment a lot. People was looking at me, but I didn't care. I was just continuing walking. And look at the sides of the street. There was so many people. Chinatown is quite crowded and the retail is going on. It's on one side you can find any products or groceries, on the other side of course you can find clothing. Then I took my phone because I need to find a way to Little India, which is also the part of Chinatown, a small area with again shopping malls, but they sell Indian stuff like colorful fabric and some Indian sweets and Chinese electronics. On the western part of Chinatown you will find small but thriving area of the Little India of Bangkok. Chinatown embodies everything that noisy, polluted and hectic in Bangkok, but that's what makes Chinatown such a fascinating area to explore. The local attractions like the Golden Buddha and the street markets make it totally worth to visit Chinatown. Make sure to set aside enough time to just browse around the alleyways of Chinatown, discover hidden temples, immerse yourself with flavors of street food stalls.